Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by stabilizing the AirPod on a soft towel so nothing slips. This prevents drops. Once positioned, make sure your hands are dry and steady because grip matters when peeling silicone. Now inspect the seam where the tip meets the stem and the inner mesh to understand how it grips. You'll use a gentle pinch and pull next. This precaution avoids tearing the silicone and protects the speaker mesh from accidental pressure. You pinch the silicone base close to the plastic stem so the force focuses where it releases. Gripping the middle of the tip risks a tear. Then pull straight away from the AirPod with a steady, even motion rather than jerking or twisting, because that motion disengages the internal ridge. If the tip resists, squeeze the base inward slightly to relax the lip, then pull again. This helps release suction without stressing the mesh or the speaker housing. Once removed, examine both the tip and speaker mesh for debris or damage so you know whether to reuse or replace the tip. To reinstall, align the tip's inner ridge with the stem and press firmly until you feel a click. This guarantees a proper seal and sound performance. If audio drops or no sound returns, make sure the tip is fully seated and then gently clean the mesh with a dry, soft brush. That typically resolves contact and blockage issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.